Taking you through the world of entertainment, Nigerian music industry continues to make waves on the global stage, with several artists achieving the pinnacle of musical recognition, the Grammy Awards. Throughout the years, musicians of Nigerian descent have demonstrated their immense talent, earning Grammys across a variety of categories. Here's the list of Nigerian-rooted artists who have clinched the coveted award. Sade Adu, the first Nigerian Grammy winner. Ellen Folashade Adu holds the distinction of being the first Nigerian to win a Grammy Award. The British-Nigerian singer, famed for her smooth, soulful sound, has won 4 Grammys. She bagged the award in 1986 when she won Best New Artist. A timeless hit includes No Ordinary Love and Soldier of Love. Seal, a Grammy heavyweight. Henry Olusegun Adeola Samuel, known professionally as Seal, is another Nigerian-British artist who has made a mark in the global music industry. He has won 4 Grammy Awards, with his 1996 classic Keys from a Rose earning him 3 trophies in one night, including a Record of the Year. Sikiru Adepoju, master of the talking drum. Nigerian percussionist Sikiru Adepoju has also earned a place in Grammy history. The master drummer won a Grammy in 2009 for Best Contemporary World Music Album. As part of the Global Drum Project, the collaboration with Nicky Hart, Zakir Hussaini, and Giovanni Hidalgo. Burna Boy, Africa's giant on the Grammy stage, one of the biggest stars of his generation, Burna Boy, born Janini Eboluwa Ogulu, secured his place in Grammy history in 2021 when his album Twice as Tall won Best Global Music Album. The self-proclaimed African giant had been nominated before his album African Giant, but it was Twice as Tall that finally earned him his first Grammy. Wizkid, Africa's star boy, Ayodeji Ibrahim Balogun, popularly known as Wizkid, also secured his first Grammy Award in 2021. He won in the Best Music Video category for his collaboration with Beyonce on Brown Skin Girl, a song that celebrated Black beauty and identity. Wizkid has been a major force in taking Afrobeat global, and his Grammy win further cemented his influence. Kevin Olushola, the beatboxing Grammy winner. Kevin is a Nigerian-rooted musician. He is best known as a member of the cappella group Pentatonix. With his impressive beatboxing and vocal skills, Olushola and his group have won multiple Grammy Awards, making him one of the Nigerian-rooted artists excelling in diverse music genres. Babatunde Olatunji, the pioneer drummer. Long before Afrobeat took over the world, Babatunde Olatunji was already making waves as a master drummer. The Nigerian-born percussionist won a Grammy in 1991 for Best World Music Album with Planet Drum, a collaborative project with Nicky Hart. Chamillionaire, the rap star with Nigerian roots. Akeem Timidayo Seriki, better known as Chamillionaire, is an American rapper of Nigerian descent who won a Grammy in 2007. His hit song, Rhythm, featuring Crazy Bone, won Best Rap Performance by a duo or group, cementing his legacy in the hip-hop industry. And lastly, Tems, the latest awardee, Temilade Okoyemi, better known as Tems, made history in 2023. She won Best Melodic Rap Performance for a feature and featured Drake's hit song, Wait For You. However, in 2025, she was nominated for Grammy Award for Best African Music Performance for her song Love Me Jeje, and she won. The win marked a significant milestone in her career, proving that Nigerian women are also taking their place in the global music scene. For more entertainment news updates and lifestyle, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.